Hello, my excellent second grade writers. Welcome to Narrative Writing Day 1 Brainstorm. Today our prompt is going to be about responsibility. All right, these are our checklists. Today our main focus is going to be on deciding what to write. So that's going to have a little bit to do with the prompt and a little bit to do with these detail sentences, because we want to think about what details we're going to write about in order to decide if we have enough details to really write about our experience. All right, and as I said, our prompt today is all about being responsible. Write about a time when you were responsible. What did you do? Why did you do it? How did other people react? So very specifically, we're thinking about a time when we were responsible, when we showed responsibility. We want to know what it was, we want to know why you did it, and we wanted to know about other people. What did they think or do because you were responsible? So let's start brainstorming. What are some times when you were responsible? And really think about different things that we've learned about responsibility in our Reading Street unit. Some ideas might be a time when you agreed to do something or said you would do something, and then you did it. When you didn't make excuses or blame other people when you did something. So when you were responsible for your own actions. Did you apologize? Did you fix whatever went wrong? So making sure that you didn't blame someone else, but you took care of it by yourself. Okay, if you take care of things that are your responsibility, especially if you didn't have your mom or dad have to remind you, or your grandma didn't have to remind you. If you have a job and you did it without anyone reminding you, that kind of idea. When you took care of something like a pet or something that's easily breakable, those are some things that are responsible. If you used good judgment, you wanted to do something, but you thought about it and you realized it wasn't safe or it would hurt someone's feelings, those are some ways that you could be responsible. And then do things right away. Sometimes we know we need to do something, we keep putting it off. We don't want to do it, but if you do something right away, then that's a way of being responsible. All right, so I want you to just, on your whiteboard or a piece of paper, write down any time that you did some of those things, like when I made my bed, or I have to clean the bathroom at my house. So I cleaned the bathroom right away, early in the morning on Saturday. A time when I cleaned the fish cage without even being asked. I cleaned up my own dishes after I made some almond butter. So these are some ideas that I have, and you might have some of them the same, some of them might be different. Think about the details that you would share. What did you do? Why did you do it? How did other people react? I think I'm going to choose clean the bathroom because I can think of why I did it. I can think about how other people reacted, and I can talk about cleaning the bathroom. So I feel like that's a really easy one for me to do. And so I'm going to go ahead and write down some of those details. So it took me in real time, not magic TV time, about 2 or 3 minutes to write these down. I thought about it kind of in order and then added things. So I woke up early so that I could get it done. I wanted to get it done because I wanted to watch Anne of Green Gables with my sister. I set a timer and tried to beat it to kind of motivate myself. My sister was really impressed that I had gotten up so early and finished it so quickly. I wrote down kind of what I did to clean the bathroom. I have a very specific order: mirror, sink, shower, toilet, sweep, trash, and mop. And then I added that it felt really good, because it did. And one of the things on our checklist is we write about how we felt. So I really wanted to include that detail, and I really think that's a good detail for everyone to include, is something about how they felt. Okay, your job now is to come up with a few different ideas about times when you were responsible. Pick one. Brainstorm and think of different details that you might be able to share about it. And then in the discussion post down below, you're going to tell us the situation and some of your details. Just kind of walk through and talk out a little bit about what you want to write today. And then you can look at a couple other students in our class and see what they have decided they want to write about, and then leave them a couple questions, especially if you're interested in something. Like, you could ask me a little bit more about the order or what some of these things mean. You might ask me why it felt really good. You might want to ask a little bit more about the details of what the timer, setting a timer, like how much time did you put on the timer, kind of things like that. Anything about the situation that you're interested in. So again, you're going to brainstorm times you were responsible, brainstorm some details, put yours in the discussion as a video, or maybe you want to type it up, and then watch or read what other students in our class have said and ask them some questions about it to help them really think about some good details. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.